Die lewe vang mens soms, dis soms te veel as die donker kom en as vol stil, dan kyk ek in jou oë, daai glinster kom van bo. Teen al die berge, al word die paaie styl, geen vrees vir hoogte, oor oseane seil. Laat die avontuur begin. Teen elke droogte, deur elke berg en dal, loop jou riviere, tot by my waterval. Teen al die stof en pyne, red jy my. My teen middel is jy. Al die stof en pyne, red jy my. My teen middel is jy. Met jou word storms kalm, met jou word water vlak. Saam word die baie beter, alles word beter met jou by my sy. Ek is vry verby. Teen elke droogte, deur elke berg en dal, loop jou riviere, tot by my waterval. Teen al die stof en pyne, red jy my. My teen middel is jy. My teen middel is jy. My teen middel, teen elke seer wat jy vir my keer, gee my meer en meer en meer. Teen elke droogte, deur elke berg en dal, loop jou riviere, tot by my waterval. Deur al die stof en pyne, red jy my. My teen middel is jy. Tot by my waterval, teen al die stof en pyne, red jy my. My teen middel is jy.
iSense Suid-Afrika is die mense wat bekend is vir TV's, selfone, yskaste, allerlei elektroniese goed. Maar iSense Suid-Afrika doen ook soveel meer. In 'n groot hupstoot vir die jeugsport in Suid-Afrika het iSense Suid-Afrika 'n borgskap van R240,000 aangekondig en dis om een van die land se mees belovende jong sokkerspelers te ondersteun. Hierdie belegging dek 5 jaar se skoolgeld vir hierdie 12-jarige speler en hy is deel van die Real Madrid Stichting se elite opleidingsprogram. Hierdie stap sal hom help om sy droom van 'n loopbaan in die Europese ligas te verwesenlik. Die aankondiging is gemaak tydens iSense se premier produkbekendstelling in Kaapstad en die maatskappy het daar ook hulle nuutste tegnologie vertoon, insluitend Suid-Afrika's grootste TV, 'n indrukwekkende 116 duim RGB mini LED TV. Dit is baie groot. Volgens Luna Norke, die adjunk hoofbestuurder van iSense Suid-Afrika, is die maatskappy trots om plaaslike talent met internasionale potensiaal te ondersteun. Hier om ons meer te vertel is Luna Norke. So net hierna hoor ons van Luna Norke oor hierdie borgskap en ook daardie eislike TV. Bly ingeskakel.
As die nag nader sluit, die stil aarde bekruip, hoor jy 'n lied met stem en gitaar en 'n slieuwe man gly geruisloos maar aan met die dinkies wat los bly rondom my dans. Dis 'n oude chiel as mornay kinders geseer. Uit Morney se lied is daar baie te leer. En soms skep sy lied diep in jou siel. Ja, Morney se lied kan jou hart soms verniel. Dis nou origineel as Morney begin speel en hy streel die snare tot die middernag heen. En die vlamme wat dans in die kachel se vuur spoor hom aan om sy hartseer lachend te steel. Begin speel en hy streel die snare door die middernag heen. En die vlamme wat dans in die kachel se vuur spoor hom aan om sy hartseer die nag in te sneeuw. Morney, speel jou liedjie
hierdie bakkie van my kan teen inflasie beklei en met 'n vrag op die rug kan hy 'n duin uitry. Jy vra dan waar het ek hierdie bakkie gekry? Jy gaan na capebakkie.co.za. Hier's 'n Amarok Ranger, Hilux of 3, hier's Navaras, Cruisers, SUVs, geservice gecheck, deur 'n expert perfek. By Auto Investments, Cape Bakkie is die plek. Besoek Auto Investments, Cape Bakkie in 401 Voortrekkerstraat, want ons ken bakkies.
Honde, wat die hele grasperk vol. Mens gaan nooit weet wat honde aangaan.
Kom skel jy nou so?
Ek het alweer in Bolly getrap. Dit is 'n slagveld hier. Ek spandeer meer tyd om Bolly op te tel as om die gras te sny.
Wel, dalk moet jy eerder Pet Food Express toe ry. Hulle het hondekos wat ons honde minder laat poef.
Minder poef? Jy joh.
Glad nie. Hulle het selfs roukos wat ons honde se maag gelukkig gemaak, sy pels laat blink en ons gras poefvry hou.
Wat's die adres?
46 All Saints Straat, Bredasdorp. Skakel 082 220 3247. Pet Food Express. Jou hond is gelukkig en jy trap nie meer in ons bomstorings nie.
Elke keer as jy verby my stap, dan laat jy my hart ritmies klop. Jou teenwoordigheid maak dinge in my wakker. Oeh, dit maak die wêreld soveel helderder. As jy aan my raak, brand daar 'n vuur diep binne my. Daai vuur brand helder, helder en helder. As ek vir jou kyk, kry ek daai gevoel. Ek voel dit diep hier binne my, want jy verlei my met jou oë so mooi. Ek kan net nooit genoeg van jou kry, want jy verlei my, oh, jy verlei my. Soos jy beweeg, word ek deur jou geboei. Ek is vasgevang in jou sterrestelsel. Jy trek my na 'n ander wentelbaan. Ek val dieper en dieper net vir jou. As jy aan my raak, brand daar 'n vuur diep binne my. Daai vuur brand helder, ek vir jou kyk, kry ek daai gevoel. Ek voel dit diep hier binne my, want jy verlei my met jou oë so mooi. Ek kan net nooit genoeg van jou kry, want jy verlei my, oh, jy verlei my. Jy is onweerstaanbaar, my kop kan nie ophou draai. Jy is die ritme van my melodie, saam skep ons die harmonie. As ek vir jou kyk, kry ek daai gevoel. Ek voel dit diep hier binne my, want jy verlei my met jou oë so mooi. Ek kan net nooit genoeg van jou kry, want jy verlei my, oh, jy verlei my. Want jy verlei my, oh, jy verlei my.
Op die rooi tapijt vanoggend het ons 'n kuiergas, altyd lekker om iemand nuuts hier op die rooi tapijt bekend te stel, en dit is 'n maatskappy, of sy is van 'n maatskappy wat jy as luisteraar baie goed ken. Ons heet welkom Luna Nortje. Good morning and welcome on the red carpet.
Hi, Annette. Thank you so much.
It's so nice to have you here, and we are going to talk about something very exciting and inspiring. But first, please introduce yourself to our listeners.
My name is Luna Nortje. I am the Deputy General Manager for Hisense South Africa. Yes, that's me.
And
lots of other things, but
yes,
that's it.
In a nutshell.
Yes.
Hisense is such a great tech company, and it's definitely been making its mark in the industry. But today, what we are going to talk about shows that Hisense is much more than a technology company. Am I right?
You're 100% right, Annette. So our factory is in Atlantis,
Yes.
in the Western Cape. We employ roughly about 1,000 direct people there, and then through that 25,000 indirect. So yes, our factory is there, and it's our factory, but we also now try to take care. Now, I shouldn't say try, because try doesn't work. It either does or it doesn't. We also support the communities in our area, outreach programs,
Wow.
wherever we are, and what we deem to be seen as a very worthy cause.
Yeah.
So yes, that's who we are. As one of my colleagues always say, it's learn, earn, and return.
Learn, earn, and return. That's so well said.
Yes.
And I think it's something all of us can apply in our daily lives. Learn, earn, and return is to pay it forward and to give back to the
Yes.
community. Because
100%.
the only way you can receive is to earn and to like I'm saying, pay it forward.
Yes, 100%. That's our philosophy.
So we see that Hisense has recently announced the 240,000 Rand sponsorship of a young South African soccer player. This was made public during the company's recent product launch in Cape Town. Can you tell us a little bit more about this event and the sponsorship?
So that was, we took residency at Groot Constantia. What a beautiful venue.
Oh, yes.
We were there for roughly a week, and we had broken it down into different segments. You know, I think times have changed, so just having a product launch doesn't really mean anything anymore. So we had various activities, and one of the activities during our residency there was to announce the sponsorship of one of the scholars at the Real Madrid Foundation. Of 245,000. So what that means is this is obviously a youngster that is showing tremendous talent.
Yes.
But we know the social and economic problems that we're having in South Africa. So to ensure that these youngsters make it through to the best they can be, they need care, they need nutrition, they need education, they need skills, they need people that will take care of them. And his mom died when he was younger. His mom passed away. his dad is working 3 jobs to make sure that he can pay for his child's education.
Wow.
So we wanted to remove that burden from the dad so he can just be supportive of his son, and that his son also doesn't have to worry about the next 5 years of his education. Now, the Real Madrid Foundation is an amazing company and what they do, and how they treat their scholars, the coaches that they bring, the clinics that they run, the classes that they run. It's just an amazing partnership, yes.
I also want to encourage our listeners to get involved with organizations that support the local communities. And I want to ask you about this foundation. How can we, as listeners or anyone that would like to support, can we get involved with them financially, donate time?
Annette, they are a very well-run organization. And I think their need is, and it's they have a number of schools across the country. I think they're opening another 2 in Gauteng next year. So they are, I think, financially stable, but the thing is, if you can sponsor a child. So it's 5 years education is worth 245,000 rand. So every little bit helps, you know. So if it's other companies, I'd like to put out a challenge out there. Every little bit helps. There are so many needy societies in the communities. There's another one which we also gave a monetary value to, and that was Fountain of Hope. They're based in Paarl in Chicago. This is run by a lady called Vanessa Adams. She's also a forensic policewoman at the Paarl police station, and she does this in her free time. So she has a little a kitchen where she feeds the children. She keeps them busy with soccer, with football. She's running a tournament now called Street Soccer. I also support them in my personal capacity, and wherever we can, we try to connect to them. And Vanessa is one of those people that every 1,000 rand helps. Every 1,000 rand can buy a meal for the next 2 days for the kids that come there after school, and to get them to be active, because that keeps them out of harm's way. So, you know, there are so many outreach programs or things that your listeners can do.
Yeah, and I think you should just look out behind your home and look, just open your eyes. I think a lot of times we think, what can we do? But there's so much that we can do if you just look around. And you don't even have to look very far or very hard to find someone or something to invest in or to help.
100%. We're doing, just off the topic, we're doing one today. I don't know if you saw it. It actually went viral, about this mom that bought her daughter a mobile phone. And the absolute joy from that little girl's face. And they played a little trick on her. They said it's just a box, and it's not. So we found the mom. We're going there today to fill up their fridge, because it looks like the fridge was empty. So we're filling up the fridge. We're donating a laptop for the house. The little boy is going to secondary school next year. All he wanted was just new school clothes for the new year. So it's everywhere. Everywhere you turn, you can find someone. Yes.
Sure. Learn, earn, and return. That is the motto that Hisense is living by, and encouraging and also challenging you and any other company out there to come to the party.
Dit is die stem van Luna Nortje. Sy is van Hisense Suid-Afrika. Vreeslike groot titel. Sy is die adjunk hoofbestuurder van Hisense Suid-Afrika. En ons gesels oor daardie borgskap van R240,000 om een van die land se mees belovende jong sokkerspelers te ondersteun. En ek wil ook by haar weet oor daardie eislike groot TV, Suid-Afrika se grootste TV, indrukwekkende 116-inch RGB mini LED. Wat beteken dit alles? Net hierna gesels ons verder met Luna.
Hallo julle, ek is Bernice West en jy is ingeskakel op Radio Overberg 101.8 FM, jou frekwensie, jou huis, jou stasie.
Kans, kom binne, kom vlerke, kom vlieg deur
inspiring, I must tell you, Luna. But knowing Hisense, there must be something brewing. What else happened at that event? Any big reveals?
Okay, so let's talk about the actual product launch.
Yes.
We are incredibly proud of our technology, and we launched the largest RGB TV in the country. It's 116 inch.
Wow.
Can you imagine 116
Wow.
inch?
My husband will love that. Just imagine the rugby game. It's like being at the stadium.
Exactly. It is exactly that. A fully immersive experience. The sound is amazing. It's 144 hertz, which means it's perfect for any gamers.
Yes.
Sports games. You can select what mode you want to watch it in, and the little things that you see on the screen are called LEDs. This is a mini LED. So a mini LED, if you imagine a normal LED is the size of your thumbnail. Now imagine a mini LED is like 10 dots on your thumbnail. That's a mini LED, and each one of them contains red, green, and blue to give you an incredibly variety of colors and a real darker darks, brighter brights, contrast. It is just amazing technology. I never knew that technology in TV can actually expand as much as it has. So that was our big reveal. But of course, with that were our other products, our audio, our laser, short throw and long throw laser projectors, and our see-through fridges. It's been a fantastic launch.
So if people want to see this, if they want to go see what's new and what's hip and happening on for Hisense, where can they go look?
Okay, so let me give you a heads up.
Yes.
We are opening our first brand store in Canal Walk in November of this year.
Oh, that's wonderful.
And you will see all the latest technology in terms of our TVs, or visual, audio, mobile, because we also do mobile phones as well as refrigeration. So we are aiming for the 1st of November. But I think we'll let you know nearer to the time whether that dateline has been reached.
Yes.
And we'd love to have you there.
Yes, and ek gaan vir jou as luisteraar ook dan updated hou op daardie verwikkelinge en ek gaan verseker daar kuier en vir jou wys hoe lyk dit daar. Luna, thank you so much. It's wonderful, and like I say, I found that Hisense is really coming to the party not only with the technology but also in supporting the community, and it's so nice and so heartwarming that a big company like Hisense does not forget the little people.
It's our pleasure, and it is a great honor to be able to do that.
Thank you. Dit is die stem van Luna Nortje. Sy het 'n groot titel by Hisense. Luna is die Deputy General Manager, 'n groot titel by Hisense. It's like really, that's a big title, eh?
Maar ek gaan hom in Afrikaans sê nie.
Nee, ek gaan ook eers probeer het. That's why I just stuck to the Afrikaans one. I mean, to the English one, it's much easier. Ons sê vir jou dankie vir jou tyd. It was really nice talking to you, and we will definitely catch up with you soon because there's a lot more, and Hisense does not sit still.
Bye, Donkey. Thank you so much for your time.
Good luck for today, and we are looking forward to the behind-the-scenes footage.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day too.
Luna, bye.
Thanks. Bye-bye.